Get busy living or get busy dying. Books are the perfect entertainment. No commercials, no batteries, hours of enjoyment for each dollar spent. What I wonder is why everybody doesn't carry a book around for those inevitable dead spots in life. Monsters are real, and ghosts are real too. They live inside us, and sometimes they win. If you don't have time to read, you don't have the time or the tools to write. Simple as that. Fiction is the truth inside the lie. The road to hell is paved with adverbs. If you liked being a teenager, there's something really wrong with you. I think that we are all mentally ill. Those of us outside the asylums only hide it a little better, and maybe not all that much better after all. A short story is a different thing altogether. A short story is like a quick kiss in the dark from a stranger. Speaking personally, you can have my gun, but you will take my book when you pry my cold, dead fingers off the binding. The thing under my bed, waiting to grab my ankle, isn't real. I know that, and I also know that if I'm careful to keep my foot under the covers, it will never be able to grab my ankle. Sometimes, being a bitch is all a woman's got to hold on to. Remember, hope is a good thing, maybe the best of things, and no good thing ever dies. Humor is almost always anger with its makeup on. A little talent is a good thing to have if you want to be a writer, but the only real requirement is the ability to remember every scar. We make up horrors to help us cope with the real ones. Amateurs sit and wait for inspiration. The rest of us just get up and go to work. Only enemies speak the truth. Friends and lovers lie endlessly, caught in the web of duty. Sometimes human places create inhuman monsters. Write with the door closed, rewrite with the door open. Schizoid behavior is a pretty common thing in children. It's accepted because all we adults have this unspoken agreement that children are lunatics. We never know which lives we influence, or when, or why. The trust of the innocent is the liar's most useful tool. People who try hard to do the right thing always seem mad. Life isn't a support system for art, it's the other way around. You can't deny laughter. When it comes, it plops down in your favorite chair and stays as long as it wants. Talent is cheaper than table salt. What separates the talented individual from the successful one is a lot of hard work. God is cruel. Sometimes He makes you live. Sometimes there is absolutely no difference at all between salvation and damnation. You cannot hope to sweep someone else away by the force of your writing until it has been done to you.